BluntCut MetalWorks, October 18, 2021. The objective of this test is job is 2x4 under 20 strike, but however, because of bad setup, I will say give myself 25 strike. And the edge, this is straight razor edge to make it simple. Not a word for shaving at 7 it's about 7.5 degrees precise. And anyway, this is still a W2 or 65 Rockwell, and so I got that set up here. The edge sharpened using an Edge Pro and Apex, and deburred everything out. Everything 600 grit diamond plate, and the edge is sharp enough. And the objective is after chopping 2x4, and if the edge still able to slice where it's supposed to be printer paper, but in this case, let's say phone book paper without tearing. So I'm gonna have the bat set up here. I'm going to get chopped. Oh, it's cracked. I hate. Now it ruined the 2x4. Anyway, though the last few chop was pretty much due to cracking, and it didn't have a solid contact. And the edges, I can see it's rolled a lot, so I don't think I need to chop anymore, because I think they will have difficult time passing this test. All that means is that the edge strength for this geometry is not enough. You can see it. I can see it right here. I mean, here is the the one that didn't have the impact, was somewhere in front here, and here is the one that have the cut. Okay, initial cut. Now they go into the area of impact. In other words, it didn't pass the test. Let's take a close look at the worst damage and see. After the test edge, here's the worst damage. Just basically overall, there's no fracture at all. Here the scale is 0.5 millimeter. So this edge needs to be about 10 degrees precise in order to pass this test or test objective. Thanks for watching.